Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here at the KOA Resort, Mount Rushmore, also known as Palmer Gulch. You can see their big facility here. I want to take you through this a little bit and I may even take you up there to the peak. And this is a huge park. This is actually the second largest KOA in the world. This place is. In fact, these are about to open. They actually open up this Saturday. So all these shops in here will open up. They've got 2 pools. I've got a whole lot to show you. So come on with us, because you've just entered the Coolest Life RV Park Review Edition. And so that's check-in reservation. I've actually got my back to the door here, which is here. It is such a beautiful park, probably one of the most beautiful parks I've ever been to, and I've been to a lot of parks. There's a place to eat up there. It's full menu, and there's ice cream stores and laundromat and everything over there. But I wanted to show you this store. Most stores you go into at a RV park are about this size, but check out this one. Yeah, it's a nice store. It's a full store too. They got your frozen goods back there with some milk and beer and all that kind of stuff. Restrooms that direction, but it's a really nice store. Lots of stuff about the area. But this would be the registration desk. This is checkout for the store. But if no one's here, then you can always go here and they can check you out. The registration is one of the laundromat facilities. I wish I could tell you how much they cost, but they're all being used. And there's just 25 cents. Probably a little more than that. You put coins in these. Hopefully they got a change machine in the corner in case you forget your detergent. Very clean. Very clean. And also restrooms attached to this. Let's go look at. And here's the women's restroom. Showers. Anybody can use. Good condition. Like a men's restroom there. So let's see what we have here. We have a basketball court. This is actually a lower court. I think that's probably 7 feet. And that's regulation there. I got a rental area here. You can rent bicycles. Volleyball court. Bicycle rent shop is right here. Also got a snack shop there. That's a bounce pad there when they get it blown up. Here is a kid's playground. And they're putting in a, they used to have a splash pad on the other side of the fenced in area there, but now they're going to put in a big playground, kind of like this one here. I think it's going to have water with it though. And they've got checkerboard stuff, restrooms, and the hot tub. All this stuff is supposed to be ready in the next couple of weeks. Memorial Day is going to be the official start time of this. It's in decent shape, relatively clean, and ready to go. You see the cabins on the outside. The main lodge is up front that way. And there's some other larger lodges like up top of the hill there. This is really a beautiful campground. They've done a good job maintaining it. That's one of those, what do they call that? There's a game that they play where the ball has to bounce and you hit it. There's actually another one of those at the front of the park. And this is what the air looks like when it's a little busy. Lots of people out here, lots going on. You can have these things for free, just as far as you keep them in here. You can play with them all you want, so you don't have to rent them. It's pretty cool, huh? Barista training.
So much easier.
And this area here is the employee area. So they got all the employees are basically together. They have some employees that are here for the season, and they actually put them up in dormitories, which is what you see up here. So everybody's got their own room, I believe. But I wanted to show you my spot here. It's very flat. You got your good hookups. And of course, this one is a little crooked, but you got 30 and 110 and of course 50 So it's a nice little setup. That one time they did have cable. I think they're getting rid of cable. What they're going to do is they're going to put Wi-Fi in the park that's stronger than the Wi-Fi they have now. Currently we have Wi-Fi, but it's kind of a weak signal. They've actually got a new one going up over here, no new one on the other side of this cabin here that they're going to put up. But it's really nice. You can see how the employees that are all up here are set away from everybody else, so we're not mixing and mingling. People don't come knocking on your door asking you where something is or trying to get you to work. But it's a real nice area they have set up here for their seasonal workers that are up here. So these are maintenance, cleaning, working some of the shops like our outposts and registration and everything. So that's these people here. And also the horse stables where they put the horses up at night is here on property. So we've got that in the back, and that's actually done through a contracted company that does all that. But we do like to walk down there sometimes. Normally there's one or two that are still up here during the day, and we can, in fact I see one right there in the corral. Nice. And this, yes, you guessed it, is the chuck wagon loading area. They got horses right inside of there. Several down there. I think they're doing chuck wagons right now. This is actually behind the, that's the main bridge going over there. This is behind the ice cream shop and laundry area. Cool area to just kind of sit and chill. Nice. So if you are here at Palmer Gulch, one of the things you do need to do at this park is take a horseback ride. From that one, or this one. They got a lot of horses here. Do not pull on horses' ropes is what the sign says. Just one of the great amenities they have here at this park. This is inside the main lodge hotel. You got the wood carving. Oh, hello. And here's the front desk. Upstairs. Cool place. It's like a dining room there in the back. And more that way, and there's 2 more floors upstairs. This looks like they'd probably serve breakfast, continental breakfast here in the mornings is my guess. Got a computers, and you can sit outside, which overlooks basketball court and the pool that will soon have, well, water in it. I like it. That would be a pickleball court, and I would be using that. What their hotel room looks like. So I think I will. So they've got a fridge and a microwave there. It's a little dark in here. A little more light. Restrooms, standard shower. Some of the rooms have double beds, and this one here's got the king size in it. You see everything here, nicely decorated. Nice table. Air conditioner's on because it is summer. Pickleball courts out to this back door. Nice little view and a nice little deck. Cool. This is a view from the second floor up here. Places to sit. And a nice full service buffalo. Yeah. Huge. Yeah, we're just hanging out at the pool here one day. There's actually some construction going on behind us. And kids playing basketball. A nice pool though. That's a hot tub over there. I think there's another hot tub in that corner. Maybe it's the kids in there. Pretty cool. So this is my ride to work. The days that I work. Yeah, that's part of the RV park there. Isn't that horrible? Yeah, I'm actually on my bicycle. Because I ride my bicycle to work. It's a beautiful thing. What a great gig. And this area that you see here is a lot more like what you would find at a state park. It's a lot more hilly, a little more rustic. You can see it's got more trees than some of the lower areas here. And also, we've got not only RVs parked here, but then we've got some other cabin area here and cabins back up that way. So a lot of variety here. There's a set of restrooms way down there we were just at. This is another nice area here. Look at that big place there you can rent out. Like if you had a family reunion or something, it'd be perfect. And there's another one right here. And luckily all your Wi-Fi and stuff is really close. So here's the back side of the horse trail. It's actually got fencing along this part, about a mile. Pretty country, huh? I'm sitting on one of these. Lost in the woods. This would be a great place to scope deer. So overall, what I think about this place, I like it. It's a second largest KOA park in the country. Number one being, I think it's out of Orlando, but it's a really cool park. There's so much going on at this park. It's a great place to stay. It's not just a destination because you're next to Mount Rushmore. There's so many things to do in the area, but there's so much to do on site. So if you're in the area, highly recommend this park. So come on and see us at the KOA Palmer Gulch, Mount Rushmore Resort. Let's go. Be sure to like and subscribe and check out our other videos of different parks all around the country. But we got to get back out here living the coolest life. RV Park Review Edition.